How to join Discord server on mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to join the Discord server. So there are different ways of joining a server on Discord. So I'm gonna be showing you easiest way on doing it. So once you're logged into your Discord account, tap the try bar icon, and in the left hand side bar you'll be able to see multiple server. So tap the plus icon. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and select create my own, and you can just go ahead and select for me and my friends. So you can just go ahead and select gaming whatsoever, and you can just go ahead and select the other one. Now go ahead and tap the create server button. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the Discord invite link. So you can just tap the skip button. Now tap the join a server button. After that, you can see right on top there is the example. So you can just go ahead and type the thing such as http. So make sure to copy it till gg and slash. After that, you can type in any of the gaming server that you wish to look for it and click the join server button. After that, you'll be able to see the invitation link. So if you want to accept the link, then just tap the accept invite link, and that's basically how you can join a server. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also go to the browser and type in Discord discover. So while you do this, it's going to take you to discordserver.com, and from here you can go ahead and look for the server that you wish to join it. And that's basically how you can join Discord server on mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.